Setting up a virtual classroom in Moodle. In Moodle, we use Adobe Connect as our virtual classroom. Adobe Connect is a classroom facility that allows you to deliver a live classroom over the internet. This is what an Adobe Connect screen will look like. It allows you to share your individual presentations or the contents of your entire screen with your students over the internet. It allows you to communicate with your students either by text, as you will see down here in the bottom right hand corner, or indeed by voice if they have a microphone and headset. This short video explains how a teacher can set up a virtual classroom on Adobe Connect by using Moodle. To set a classroom up, first you must log into Moodle. Once you are logged into Moodle, click into the course where you want to place your virtual classroom. Make sure you turn editing on and then choose to add an activity or resource. In this demonstration we're adding an Adobe Connect virtual classroom. I find it convenient to name the meeting by the day and date of the classroom session. You will see by the red text and the asterisks that you must input a title for your meeting. In the square below, it can be a basic description. A meeting URL is automatically created by Moodle, so there's no need for you to enter any text in here. You then choose the date as to what time the class starts and what time it finishes. And scroll down the end and click Save and Display. This is the page that you are greeted with as a lecturer. You are asked to either join the meeting or assign roles. We'll talk about assigning roles in another video. To join this meeting, click the button and it launches the meeting panel where I am inserted as a host for this meeting. You will note from up the top a unique URL is created for every single class that you create through Moodle. When your students click on the link Join this meeting, they will be added automatically as participants in the classroom. On occasion you may want to record this meeting. Press Meeting and Record. It will automatically name the recording to match the name of the meeting that you've set up. You press on OK and you can start recording away. You can decide to share your screen, share a particular document, or indeed share a whiteboard, and you can communicate with your students by sending them messages in the chat board, and they can do exactly the same. Once you're finished, press Stop Recording, and now if we return to the Moodle page itself and we click Refresh, you will see this page has now changed to include a recording of the session. So for every class you want to create, you just add an activity in Moodle, and it's as simple as that. Let's return to the main course page and to see what it'll look like from a student's point of view. From a student's point of view, on the right hand side there will be a link to the events that are coming up. In this case we've just established a meeting room for the 9th of October. If we want to see previous recordings, we click on the Activities block and click on Adobe Connect. And here we will be greeted with all of the recordings, and as you will see, Wednesday 9th of October, and there's the description. So when a student clicks in here a student can log in and access the recording of a session that he may want to revise or he may have missed and wants to catch up on all the details. So that is how you create a virtual classroom in Moodle.